Now at 10:30, it's been 1 year since Governor Newsom ordered the National Guard and the Highway Patrol to step in and help San Francisco police crack down on drug dealing in the Tenderloin.
KRON 4's Justine Waldman breaks down the numbers to see if it's made a difference.
When this operation started, accidental overdose deaths in San Francisco were up more than 40%. Between January and March of last year, 200 victims died from accidental overdoses, mostly from fentanyl and mostly in the Tenderloin. Increased patrols in that neighborhood are apparently leading to more product being seized, but it might not be making much of a dent in death prevention. More than 42 pounds seized in the roughly 10-block radius that is San Francisco's Tenderloin district. The governor's office and law enforcement agencies are celebrating what they consider to be a positive milestone in a public safety partnership. It was 1 year ago, on May 1st, 2023, when the governor authorized the California Highway Patrol and National Guard to crack down on drug dealing in the city. Their goal, to target traffickers, disrupt the dealers, and seize the supply. Since then, the Joint Task Force has issued more than 6,200 citations, arrested more than 500 people, recovered more than 100 stolen vehicles, and most importantly to their mission, captured nearly 700 pounds of fentanyl in total. That's enough to kill almost half the country. City leaders are praising the progress made in the first year of this partnership. Police Chief Bill Scott says the amount of fentanyl pulled off the street is, quote, unprecedented, and that they're going to continue to crack down on dealing. In a statement, District Attorney Brooke Jenkins says, quote, the resources that the governor provided San Francisco to ramp up our efforts to disrupt and dismantle open-air drug markets has been invaluable. Working together, we are making a difference in the Tenderloin. Drug confiscations may be at unprecedented levels. However, when you look at drug overdose deaths, there's not much difference. This partnership program between agencies was initially announced just last year after San Francisco announced accidental deaths from drug use went up 40% between January and March of 2023. In that period, 204 people died from an accidental overdose in San Francisco. That's according to the medical examiner's office. Compare that to the same period this year. Deaths are down, but not by much. So far this year, there have been just 5 fewer deaths from accidental overdoses. The governor's office is also crediting the first year of this partnership for other significant crime statistic improvements in San Francisco. For the first quarter of this year, property crime is down more than 30%, and violent crime is down almost 15%. In the newsroom, I'm Justine Waldman, KRON 4 News.